crime of passion.
Yeah. Just look at all the passion on that wall.
Yeah, well, this is a done deal. I'll with the paperwork.
Kids see it?
What?
Imperfections, proof that they were crafted by the honest, simple, hard-working indigenous peoples of wherever.
I was holding.
Do you have somebody you can call?
How embarrassing. A house full of condiments and no food. 1,700 square feet with high ceilings for days and days. Then the refrigerator's compressor could have clicked on.
Yeah.
Keep stirring. Once the tallow hardens, you can skim off a layer of glycerin.
I quit. I'm not fighting with you till tomorrow. Come here.
Jesus.
What?
Squirrels.
Piece of work, this guy.
Oh, guys, don't tell Mom about our special project, okay?
How come me, Mom?
Here you go. Sharon?
I'm so sorry.
No
I
problem.
didn't know you were gonna.
Here you go.
No, wait.